Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Form 7004. This form is essential for businesses needing more time to file their income tax returns. It grants an automatic 6-month extension, providing valuable breathing room. We'll cover who needs to file it, what information is required, and how to ensure a smooth submission process. Understanding this form can save you from potential penalties and stress, so let's dive in. To accurately complete Form 7004, you'll need a few key pieces of information readily available. First, ensure you have your business's full legal name, current address, and your 9-digit employer identification number. Next, clearly specify which income tax return you are extending, such as Form 1120 for corporations. Finally, provide a good faith estimate of your total tax liability for the period, even if you expect a refund. This helps prevent penalties. Filing Form 7004 correctly is crucial. The most efficient method is to file electronically through an authorized e-file provider. This ensures quick processing and confirmation. Remember, this form must be submitted by the original due date of your income tax return, not the extended date. It's important to understand that while you get more time to file, you do not get more time to pay any taxes owed. Always pay your estimated tax by the original deadline. To ensure a smooth process, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when filling out Form 7004. Always double-check your employer identification number and confirm you've selected the correct tax form type. A frequent oversight is forgetting that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. Make sure to pay any estimated taxes by the original due date. Finally, always retain a copy of your submitted Form 7004 for your records. These tips will help you avoid unnecessary issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.